Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are doing well. I am Rowshan Khandaker, your B.G.S teacher. Today I am going to take up B.G.S class for the students of class 5. Okay, and today's lecture number is 6, homework number 6. Topic is chapter 2, SQ, that means short question. This is my name and my number. Okay, my dear students, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, today's chapter is chapter 2, British rule. Okay, we have read out or we have done our discussion in our previous classes about the chapter or all the lessons of from British rule, chapter 2. Okay, today we will start learning about our short question. Okay, there is 3 short questions. Today I will tell you that you will write it along with me. Okay, and now the first question is write 5 causes of the mutiny of 1857. I repeat, write 5 causes of the mutiny of 1857. That means you have to write 5 reasons or 5 causes of Sepoy mutiny of 1857. We have read it about it. Okay, and the answer would be the Sepoy mutiny was one of the most significant rebellions of 19th century. It was started in Bengal by Mongol Pandey in Barakpur and spread to the rest of India. The main 5 causes of the mutiny were: A. There were more Indian constables than the British in British Indian Army, but these Indian soldiers were not given due respect. So it is all about their having respect in their job. Okay, that is the first reason or first cause of this mutiny. B is there were chaos and indiscipline among the soldiers. Because of this reason, there were chaos and indiscipline among the soldiers. C, the soldiers were forced to work outside India after 1856. So that means soldiers had to work far away from their home, so they were not very happy about it. They were forced to work outside India after 1856. Number D is there was rumor that the tallow delivered from pork and beef was used to grease the cartridges for cannons and guns used in Indian Army. It sparked religious restlessness to both Hindu and Muslims. We know that for Hindu, beef was prohibited. Okay, and for Muslim, pork is prohibited. Pork is not allowed to eat. So they have to use these cartridges which was greased by pork and beef. Okay, pork and beef oil. And number E, and the last reason is mass people supported the Sepoy mutiny and got themselves involved. Okay, so our next that is our first question. Our next question is write 2 good and bad effects of British rule. Answer is the East India Company governed Bengal for 100 years from 1757 to 1857. In 1857, the Sepoy mutiny occurred against the company's policy and exploitation. Okay, and then the British decided to replace company rule with the rule of the Queen and lasted till 1947. Okay, in 1947, and India and Pakistan was established or got independence. There were some bad effects of British rule. These 2 are bad effects. Okay, and number 1 is the divide and rule policies that caste, religions and nationalities against each other. Okay, they were following a policy which is called divide and rule. That's why a restlessness among different castes, religions and nationalities were built. And number 2 is the local economy was so run down that craftsmen were unemployed, farmers became poor and suffered from famines like Chiatturer Monontor in 1770. Okay, and now we will read about the good effects. Okay, there were some good effects too. There were also some good effects of British rule, which are education was encouraged as well as transport and communication were improved. Number 2 is the combination of education and communication produced the Bengal Renaissance of 19th century when new ideas and culture developed. Number 3 is who contributed to Bengali Renaissance. Okay, so this is about who actually contributed in appraisal or the Bengali Renaissance. Answer is the contemporary writers supported political resistance through their writing, and nationalist feeling was fueled by the poetry and literature of Rabindranath Tagore, Kazi Nazrul Islam, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay, and feminist work of Begum Rokeya. Okay class, that is all for today. You will write it in your CW copy, these 3 short questions, and you have to memorize it too. Okay, and from these 3 questions you have to memorize 3 of it and you have to write the first one, that means question number 1 in your HW, that is your HW for the next week, and you have to submit it on the next Saturday. Okay, and what is the first question here? The first question is write 5 causes of Sepoy Mutiny or Mutiny of 1857. That will be your homework. I hope you will do your homework and memorize it well and study well. Till then, see you in your next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.